How to update Android tablets. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily update your Android tablet, whether you are using Xiaomi Pad 7, Samsung Galaxy Tab, Lenovo tablets, or so on. The process will be similar. So the first thing to do is to make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet and also make sure that your battery percentage is above 50%. Now tap open the Settings app from your device and under Settings, select About Tablet at the top. Now you'll be able to see the Hyper OS option or something similar. Simply tap on the card at the top and it'll check if there is any available downloads for your tablet. Your operating system version will be shown at the top of the screen. If you want your tablet to auto-update, you can tap the three dots at the top right corner and click on Settings and enable the button right next to Update Automatically, and your system will update automatically at night when you aren't using your device. You can also toggle on this Download Automatically switch from the top, and any required updates will be downloaded when connected to Wi-Fi. So right there you will be able to update to your latest version of your operating system on your Android tablet, and that's it. Since my Android tablet is up to date, there are no downloads to be done, but in your case, if the update is available, you'll be able to see it right there. Just go ahead and do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.